Guys, and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the question search feature, and this is a lovely feature on the DTW JAMB CBT app whereby you finish studying a particular topic. You can now search out questions from the database, okay, from 1992 to date in the JAMB past questions, and it will filter out the questions on that topic. So you can see how JAMB sets questions on that topic. Okay, you see various styles, how they change the vocabularies and all that, and what they can ask in that particular topic you're studying. And the question search feature is what you need on the DTW JAMB CBT app. So let me quickly go here. So you come here, you click on question search. All right, you can see here English. You can select the subject you're studying, and you click on chemistry. Let's say, for example, it's chemistry you're studying. Then here you can search for question explanation topic, but we want to search everywhere for everything. So let's say, for example, under chemistry there's child's law, there's boy's law. So let's just say child's law, okay, and click search. All right, within seconds, can you see this? Within seconds it has brought out questions and it has, see, this is from 1992, this is from 1993, this is from 2004, 2024, 2023, this is from two. So let's see the first one. Look at the first one. Look at the question here: fixed mass of gas at volume this. You can see here, when you scroll down, you see the explanation. So first of all, you are studying now, so try the question first. All right, try the solution first. Then when you now get or you don't get it, then you look at the explanation. Okay, so this is how you use the question search feature. So please go on the DTW, go on Google Play Store, download it for free. But to access this feature, the question search feature, you need to activate with 4,000 naira. This is a paid app. You need to activate with 4,000 naira to access this feature and all the past questions, all the features on this app. Okay, the past questions with their solutions, the video explanations and everything. You need to activate 4,000 naira, and it's just a one-time fee payment for 1 year. For a whole year you have access to it, and immediately you activate, it can work offline without the internet, so you can cut off distraction. So go get the DTW JAMB CBT app to help you study smartly. You need to study smartly, so go get it, download it, and use the question search feature. And please do share this video. You are blessed and destined to win. See you in our next video, and don't forget, Jesus loves you. Come to him today. All right, please do share. Let your friends, tell them about DTW JAMB CBT app, and it has been working amazing wonders, helping students score 374, 371, even in their main exams. Thank you, and see you in class. Go study, guys. You are blessed. Jesus loves you. Come to him today.